Hi, this is Ben with Transformation Fitness and Wellness. I've got Brandon here with me today. We're going to be going over some upper body rolling techniques. So the first muscle group we're going to talk about are the pecs. So to treat this, Brandon's going to stand up against the wall, holding the medicine ball about chest height. He's going to press into the ball, holding it in place, and he's going to roll side to side. He can focus on one side at a time and then switch, or he can do the whole thing, whatever he prefers. To make it a little bit more intense for him, he's going to horizontally adduct and externally rotate his arms to stretch out those pec muscles and increase the intensity of it. He can also switch to a lacrosse ball or a harder surface to help increase the intensity as well. The next two muscles we'll talk about are the infraspinatus and the teres minor. So Brandon's going to demonstrate this laying on the ground. He's going to lay on the lacrosse ball right on his scapula. That's where those two muscles run across. They're two of the four rotator cuff muscles. So he's going to have his elbow on the ground, hand up, and he's going to alternate externally and internally rotating his hand back and forth. He'll do about 8 to 10 passes on each arm, then he'll switch to the other. Another alternative to this is he can do this standing up against the wall and pin the lacrosse ball against the wall instead of the ground. Next, we're going to talk about the posterior shoulder capsule, which encloses the back portion of the shoulder joint. To do this one, Brandon's going to stand with the medicine ball between his shoulder and the wall, rolling back and forth for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then he'll switch arms. He can also increase the intensity of this one by pulling his arm across with his other one and continue rolling in the same pattern.